In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a word in Microsoft Word using the online version of Microsoft 365. This quick tutorial will guide you through the steps to efficiently find and replace words, helping you save time and improve your document editing skills. First, let's get started by heading over to the free Microsoft 365 online page. You can access this easily by simply using your web browser. If you don't already have it bookmarked, type free Microsoft 365 online into your search engine, and it should be one of the first options. This will bring you to the web-based version of Microsoft Word, which is free to use and highly convenient if you're looking to make quick edits without installing software. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily by following the on-screen instructions. Signing in ensures that you have access to all the features and that your documents are saved securely on the cloud. Having logged in successfully, the interface should present you with multiple applications. Now click on the Word icon to start editing your document. This will open up the document list where you can choose the file you want to work with. Select the appropriate document by either opening an existing file or creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. After your document is ready, navigate to the Home tab. This is where you'll find many of the essential tools for editing your text, including the all-important Replace function. The Replace tool is part of a group of options meant to assist with text modification and is something you will use often once you get used to its convenience. Locate the Replace button in the editing group on the ribbon. Clicking it will open up a dialog box that enables you to type in the text you need to locate within your document. Start by typing the word or phrase you want to replace in the Find field. It's important to be precise here, especially if you're dealing with similar terms or phrases in your document. Then in the Replace with field, enter the new word or phrase you wish to use instead. This is where you fix any pesky repeated mistakes or update terms that have changed. When you're ready, hit Replace All to swiftly make changes throughout your document. If you'd like more control, using Find Next allows you to replace text individually, giving you a chance to review each instance before making any changes. This feature is incredibly handy for making global changes quickly, while still being able to maintain a high level of accuracy. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to replace words in Microsoft Word online, adding a valuable skill to your digital toolkit. By mastering this simple process, you'll be able to edit documents with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.